Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Ahmad Fauzi. My matrix number is CE190124. Today I will present my final project one. My project title is IoT Based Smart Home Automation System. My supervisor name is IR Dr. Budiman Azali bin Basir. For the background of study, smart home is an emerging concept that attracts the synergy of several areas of science and engineering. Smart home is the term commonly used to define a resident that integrates technology and services through home networking to enhance power efficiency and improve the quality of living. Due to the advancement of wireless technology, there are several different of connections introduced such as voice command, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Bluetooth. One of the most recent technical advancements is voice command, which allow users to operate home appliances with their voice without even having to go to the switch turn off the light switch. Along with the startling surge in crime, poverty, and personal security have become a national concern. Homeless statement. Some people with various physical activity have difficulty performing routine tasks such as turning off the light switch, switch off the fan, and locking the door. Next, number two, loss of keys force owner to change locks, limitation in supporting remote access, easiness to duplicate keys, the low budget of users to improve the home security system. Objective. These are the objectives of my project. The first is to design a home automation system with voice command technology to control home utilities. Number two, to improve home security control by using door lock system. Number three, to allow users to easily activate or deactivate the control system without having to move. Scope of the study. Intent for domestic such as household and the target user are for the people who have physical disabilities. Is it suitable for users that have physical disabilities which have an issue of unable to walk due to a medical condition who is always forgot to turn off the switch light and lock or unlock the door based on IoT. In this product, it using Google Voice command in order to turn on off the switch and unlock the door. For this product also can improve the security system of the house to prevent any case back from occurring. In this project, the smart home control and door system are combined to easiest the user to using it. The teacher review. This project focuses on all the various associated technologies that have been used for home automation system. Automation is a term that refers to use a machine rather than human physical labor to execute tasks. Researchers are continuing to work hard to make this more helpful, efficient, and secure to everyone, especially for ecological and economic levels. The control of home devices from central point where many activities are conducted every day, usually automatically. Selection of application and other hardware. For the hardware, first we use Bluetooth Smart Home. It's a short-range wireless technology that is commonly used to develop communication between multiple devices in order to transfer media or instruction. It employs radio waves with small wavelengths that are incapable of covering huge distance. It is capable of connecting gadgets. So this will connect it from smartphone to the light switch and door lock system to lock or unlock or switch on to off the application. Next is Android based by using Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno has been used for this system, which is connected to the micro web server, and it requires the user command from the Android application and eventually processed by the controller to give the output to the appliances according to input obtained. This method regulating and monitoring home appliances is quite efficient and effective. Node MCU ESP8266. Node MCU is an open source Internet Things platform. It is simple and intelligent, interactive, programmable, and Wi-Fi enabled. It includes firmware that works on expressive system ESP8266 Wi-Fi SoC and hardware that is based on the ESP12 module. Next, Wi-Fi based smart home. The server, the hardware, interface module, and the software package are essential components of a Wi-Fi based home automation system. Layout of the system model is depicted in the picture. So, voice command control home appliances. Voice user interface makes spoken human interaction with computer possible using speech recognition to understand spoken commands and answer the question typically next to a speech to reply. So this technology we will use to turn on and off the light switch. Next is selection of software. First, we use Google Assistant. Uh, Google Assistant is a Google developed virtual assistant software application that is largely available on the mobile and home automation devices. As I said, we're using the IoT device, so Google Assistant is one of the method that we will use in order to make this project successful. Next, Arduino software. This cooperative project uses a community to create and manufacture the single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for making digital devices. We're using this software to making some coding in this simulation. Next, Adafruit. Adafruit is the software that we use to make a system for the Google Assistant. This is the architecture of IoT smart home system. As you can see, for the first, for our smartphone, we have Google Assistant here. When we connect on Wi-Fi, and by using the software Adafruit, we can control the smart home by the main controller. It's not MCU. You can control home appliances, air conditioner, temperature, motion detector. The system flow chart on the smart home. Okay, first we start. If we have checked the internet connectivity, if no, we check again. If yes, we go to the next connection. Is it internet connect with the smartphone or web? And then we access the code. After code is permission, then we proceed to the user, and then the user will command to control smart home system to either use the voice command or click on the smartphone. Okay, once the command is successful, and the system will auto generate, and the application like the light switch or door lock will be on. This is the system design. First is the server from the Wi-Fi and connect to the Arduino microcontroller or the not MCU, and then this is the relay that we put, and lastly the appliances such as like switch, fan, and door locks and the door lock. Okay, conclusion. And as the conclusion, the end of the chapter, the smart home automation controller unit step-by-step technique has been described. Home appliances can be transformed into smart and intelligent IoT devices with the help of the system design control unit. Number 3, the proposed model's operation was demonstrated experimentally by connecting the 3 lights. The proposed system offers 2 benefits. First, by utilizing IoT connectivity, we can quickly monitor and access our smart home from anywhere, which will undoubtedly show to be energy efficient. Second, it acts as helping hand for the elderly and the differently able. In the future, we would like to add more control devices that can make our smart home more intelligent and practical in a real-time situation. Next, we proceed to the project. So as you can see, this is a startup project that I managed to do this semester. So this is the Bluetooth module. The model is HC05. This is the TXRX port and the ground connected to Arduino Uno, and this is the Arduino cable connected to the PC. And for the TXRX, we are not connected yet because we want to compile the code. So as you can see the code here, we connected to the pin 13 of Arduino Uno, and in the pin 13 Arduino Uno, for the input we put 1 represent the height. Height means our LED will turn on, and if the input the 0, the LED will turn off. So this is the LED will blink when I turn on using the smartphone here, and the LED will on, and when I click off, the LED will turn off. So now we upload here. Okay, once we done uploading, we connect the TX and RX. Okay, now the Bluetooth module is blinking, and now we connect the smartphone to the Bluetooth module. We click this module C05, and once we connected, we try to turn on the LED. So you can see from this video, when I click the on button, the LED will turn on, and when I click the off button, the LED will on. This is Pizen when I want to switch on the lights in the house. I just switched on using my smartphone. If I want to switch on the lights, I click on, and if I want to switch off the light, I click the off here. And this method is also same goes to the door lock system. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.